We're the Tech Geek. Today we're going to show you how to create a stunning logo online in 5 minutes for free. Before we get started, if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's start. The first step is to open up a web browser. In your search bar, type in hatchful.shopify.com. Hatchful by Shopify is a free online logo maker for personal and business purposes. It offers a lot of design templates and user-friendly tools to create and customize logos. To start creating a logo, click Get Started. Then choose your business nature, such as tech, and click Next. Now you can select the visual styles you like. You can select up to 3 styles. After that, click Next. Type in your business name as well as your slogan if you have one. Then click Next. Select where your logos will be used, such as an online store or a website. Then click Next. Hatchful will generate plenty of logos for you. Select the one you like. You can fine-tune your logo, such as fonts, colors, icons, and layouts. Then click Next to continue. Finally, click Download Logo to continue. You will need to create an account and the system will email the logo to you. Just type in an email address and password to sign up. If you already have an account, click Sign In and type in your email address and password to sign in. The logo will be automatically sent to you. After a while, you'll receive an email from Hatchful by Shopify. Download the file and you will see your logos with different sizes in a zip file. And that is the end of the video. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.